Is this the gun that you use to kill people?
Yes, this is a gun we use to kill people, and there's many more others.
And how often would you kill people?
Like every day we kill people.
For money?
Yes, for money.
And how much do you normally get paid?
Like for the big bosses, if we kill the big bosses, it's about 50,000. And we kill the soldiers, about 20,000.
So how easy is it to find someone like you if I wanted to get someone killed? How easy would it be to find you?
Like I said, every second guy here have a gun here by us. So it won't be that long to get someone like me.
Just pick up the phone.
And how much planning does it take?
No, not for me, not much planning. But
Tell
you
me
have to
how
plan.
much time?
You have to plan. But I give you like a week.
As much as a week?
Yes, I give you for a week.
Could you do it in less time?
In less time, if I see you anytime during the day or the night, and I've got the gun, I must kill you because you're gonna kill me if you see me.
And do you have a shortage of bullets, or do you find you've got enough ammunition? You can get ammunition from...
Yes, we buy ammunition from different areas, different people.
And do you know what would happen to you if you were caught?
Yes.
You're not worried about that?
Yeah, we're not actually worried about it because we know we're gonna come out again.
And what about the conscience of actually killing someone, taking away someone's life?
It's not that hard for me, and because it's for a living I doing it. It's for money, and I must look after my family, so it's not that hard for me to kill someone.
You don't feel any
I don't
regret
feel
or
no.
any...
Not at all, because he's not gonna feel any regrets from me if he kill me.
And how do you kill them? I mean, do you just walk up to them? How do you do it?
Yes,
Can you
we
talk
do it
us through
different.
something?
No, we just go there and I do my thing.
What? How do you do
Different
it?
ways.
Talk me through it. Where do you shoot them?
We shoot him in the chest and in the head, the main parts of the body.
How many bullets would you use to do that?
I'll use all my bullets, but I'll keep 3.
And even the first time you killed someone, you didn't feel anything?
No, because the first time I killed someone, before I killed him, he shot me. So I didn't feel any regrets of killing him.
Is there any job that you'd turn down?
No, there's no job I turned down ever.
So if someone asked you to kill a woman or a child, would you think about that?
Yeah, I'll think about that, but if I have to kill you, I must kill you.